go. Good old Labradar. Everything you've been too chicken to do. When you hear it rattling, well, actually the problem is that last range trip we noticed it was rattling when we put away. So took out all these guys right here already. Before I thought I'd go and video this and show you guys everything. So before you do go crazy trying to peel it apart, under the void tab, there's another one. Ask me not how I know. Some of them are kind of tough to get out. Come on. Okay. Let's make this video 15 minutes long. I'm going to be beating on this thing. Well, the unscrew real easy. There we go. Sometimes they get stuck in there. Okay. Those set aside. Okay. You can see cracks around the edges here. Like that. I hear it rattling in there now too. Just ever so gently. There we go. Now we got it going. Okay. I'll take it like this. Force anything. I mean, granted, you can get a Garmin these days. Oh yeah, there's the problem. Okay, so that might fall off. Okay, so it looks like there's a ribbon cable under there. Yeah, so if you open it up from the bottom side and flip it up, is there enough room? Yeah, it looks like there is. Okay. Well, there's a problem. Look at that. So I got 1, 2, 3. There's one inside of there. 4. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh, I'm missing one. Oh, there it is. And 6. Alright. So here's the problem. Other than I can't keep that straight. Okay. So the actual problem is the Doppler radar board. All the screws have gotten loose on it. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this, heat up the hot glue gun, put those back in, and then show you the rest. I lied. I'm just going to go ahead and use some fingernail polish. Don't tell my wife. Actually, truth be told, she already gave this one to me to use for this stuff. Okay. Nice and gentle. Actually, as long as we got this far taken apart, let's see what it looks like. Okay. So that's what the Doppler radar piece looks like. I don't want to touch any of that. Okay, so we're just going to put that back down nice and gentle. So I think what loosened this up over time is a muzzle brake blast, possibly. It really surprises me that these screws would come out at all. Not gonna jam these in there. Just gonna gently snug them up. Glue it up, and then it'll be good as gold. Well, it's good as not having to replace it, at least. Granted, you can get this brand new now for like $350 instead of $600 like it was way back when we got it. Guess I should be wearing my glasses. Okay, now if you can't reassemble it from this point, you probably shouldn't have taken it apart in the first place. But at least you have a good idea. If you hear a rattling in there, that's probably the problem. And just put these back in, close it up. There you go. Those little pieces fit in there. Got the rubber seal. Keep it waterproof. Okay, that's about it. Yeah, no, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and heat up the hot glue gun instead. Good luck.